Dear students, today we are going to start the new subject GE 8077 Total Quality Management. You can see somehow what is the subject, what is going to cover. First of all, we see the figure in the middle. If you're seeing that car festival, Therotam, what do you understand from this figure? The car cannot move from one place to another just like that. Everyone in the village or everyone in the town come together, gathering together, coming together and pull the car, then only the car will move. Like that, the topic itself saying that total quality management. Quality cannot be achieved just like that. It needs team effort. So how we are managing as a whole to achieve the quality is the subject. As an engineer, it is a basic requirement of any engineer who is completing BE. The subject is a common subject to all the branches. Here, we are going to see the subject. The presentation covers what is the course objective of the subject, what can you learn from the subject, syllabus of the subject, then required textbooks, what is the outcome, what we are going to learn. Objective: to facilitate the understanding of the quality principles and process. But by studying this subject, what is objective we are going to learn? To enable the students to understand the quality management principle. What is quality? How to manage? We are going to see. To develop the capacity among the students for implementing quality management process. How to achieve the quality? What are the processes we are going to study? And to make the students understand the quality management traditional tools. What are the tools available to achieve the quality? Traditional tools. And the management modern tools for achieving the quality, and the total quality management system. For achieving the quality, there must be some system or procedure, everything is available, that we are going to study. Unit 1, it covers the introduction of the subject. It starts with the introduction. What is the need for quality? Why we need? How the quality is evolved? Then various definitions, how we can define the quality. Then product quality and service quality, what are the dimensions? Then what is TQM? What is the basic concept of TQM? Then TQM framework, how it is constructed. Then quality gurus, some of the gurus are available for basic qualities. The contribution of Mr. Deming, Duran, Graspi. Then barriers to TQM implementation, what are the hurdles to implement TQM? Then customer, because the TQM deals with the customer, so customer focus, customer orientation, then customer satisfaction, how to deal with the customer complaints, customer retention. This will be covered in the unit 1. Unit 2 is a principles, TQM principles. How to be a good leadership. What are the quality statements? Vision, mission, we are seeing in the board, vision, mission, quality policy. Then strategic quality planning. To achieve some many things, you need some planning, that is strategy planning. Then quality council. The people from various departments sit together, solve the problem. Then how to achieve the employee involvement, because you are going to be an engineer in the company, you must have the involvement of the employee, otherwise it's not able to achieve the quality. Under the topic, we are going to see the motivation, what is empowerment, what is team and teamwork, recognition and reward, performance operation, under the category of employee involvement. Next, we are going to see the continuous process improvement. That is a main concept of total quality management. We are continuously improving for the day-to-day activity. PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act cycle. 5S, Japanese housekeeping technique. Kaizen, that is small improvement. Then the quality deals with the supplier also. So suppliers are the main contributors to the quality. So we are going to see what is the supplier partnership, partnering, supplier selection, supplier rating. Because in future you are going to be at an industry, you must have idea about who is the supplier, how to select the supplier, that type of dealings it deals with them. Unit 2. Unit 3. For achieving the term, we need some tools. So 7 traditional tools of quality. Then management side, the new management tools, how to achieve. Then 6 Sigma, concepts, methodology, application to manufacturing, service sector IT, including IT. 6 Sigma, we know that if you are making 10 million components, 10 lakh components, 3.4 components may go out of the limit. How to achieve that? That is a separate concept. We are going to see the tool, important tool in your life. Wherever you go, you are going to see that one. Then we are going to see benchmarking, reason for benchmarking, benchmarking process, etc. And FMEA, failure mode effect analysis. Before starting itself, we are going to check how the product may get failure, how to solve the problem, stages and types. This comes under the unit 3. Unit 4, it is the second type of tools and techniques. It consists of the dealings with the quality circle, the people from the same department to solve the problem, and cost of quality. What is the cost involved when you are not manufacturing the component rust in the first time? Then quality function deployment. In that one, you're going to see house of quality. In that one, this is a good tool for the fresh engineer or a design engineer. It is one we are going to see very detailed. Then Takuchi quality loss function. One of the author has given loss function. Then total productive maintenance. What is the concept? Improvement needs, performance measures. And finally, we are going to see the what is performance measures topic. Unit 4, quality management system. Nowadays, it is a mandatory for any company. ISO 9000, QS 9000, 14,000, so many standards you can see. Introduction, what is ISO benefit? What is ISO standard, series of standards available, sector-based standards, aerospace standards, telecommunication standards, then other thing like that. Then what is the requirement of ISO 9001, 2015 revision is available now. The requirements, implementation, documentation, internal audits, registration. Then it's another one is the last one is the environmental management system. Nowadays it is environment is very, very important. So the government is giving more implementation. That is, you can see the pollution is we got to make the environment safe. So what are standards we are going to follow? That is introduction of ISO 14,000 series, standards, concept ISO 40,001 requirements, then benefits of EMS. Some of the textbooks what are we are going to available for our subject is Dale H. Westerfield, Total Quality Management, and my book is available, Total Quality Management, Dr. Sai Publishers. You know not to buy, I can give you the full detail of the details to you. Some reference textbooks of James R. Evans and Williams M. Lindsay, The Management and Control of Quality. Janagiraman B. Gopal R.K., Total Quality Management. Sugandhi L. and Anand Samuel, Total Quality Management. My book is sufficient for you because it is a collection of all the material from the reference as well as the textbook for you. Now, after completing this course, after studying these 5 units after 3 months, what are students can able to outcome of the subject, outcome of the course? First thing, the student can able to understand the basic concept TQM and customer related components and cost of quality. And unit 2, to apply the total principles in the industrial application selection of the supplier, how we are going to select a supplier. Third, you are going to see the tools and techniques used for achieving quality management in the manufacturing as well as service products. Unit 4, we are going to see after studying this one, you can able to handle the modern TQM tools, which can be applied to industry. It is hands-on experience. And finally, by studying unit number 5, you can able to understand what is quality systems to be followed, either ISO 9000 or 14,000. Then why we need the people who have idea, why we have as a mechanical engineer or how it is important for me. After completing this subject, you can strengthen your competitive position wherever you can say I am an expert in the total quality management. So final achievement is quality only. Then adaptability to changing or emerging market conditions, to environmental, other government regulations. Because you have studied all the tools and techniques and quality system, you can able to change. It leads to higher productivity, enhanced market image, elimination of defects and waste, reduced cost and better cost management, higher profitability, strengthened the competitive position, improved customer focus and satisfaction, increased customer loyalty and retention, how we are going to improve the customer and retention, increased job security, improved employee morale, enhanced shareholder and stakeholder value, improved innovative process. These are all the benefits you are going to learn by the subject. So it is a very important subject for any engineer, especially mechanical engineer, because we are going to deal with not only machine. As a manager, you must deal with the man, machine as well as the people. So managing machine is easy, but managing people is very difficult. By studying this subject, you can able to hold. By engineering subject, you can able to manage the machines. By studying this subject, you can able to manage the people and involve them, bring the involvement of the people and applying the new techniques to achieve the quality and applying the quality management system, achieve the things. So we can see the behavior of sciences, the continuous quality improvement only by seeing the figure. After the environment, you can give the feedback, you can go for continuous improvement like that only. So with this, we are concluding our introduction of the subject. The next video, we can see the remaining, the regular topic you can see one by one. Thank you very much for joining with me. Thank you very much.